I-Team 8 and the defense in the Delphi murders case again making serious accusations about the investigation that led to the arrest of Richard Allen.
I-Team 8's Cody Fisher is combing through documents. He has been all day to find out what this means for that case.
This new court filing alleges that law enforcement officials intentionally withheld information from the judge who signed the search warrant for Richard Allen's house.
This is a very aggressive document.
Anya Kane and Kevin Greenlee of the Murder Sheet podcast say a key part of this new filing was the allegation that an Indiana State Police investigator purposefully let out key information from an interview he had with a Purdue professor about the possibility the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German were ritualistic killings done by Odinists. Under oath, the investigators said the Purdue professor's findings were inconclusive on that point, but the defense argues that a recording of that interview tells a completely different story, and that the Purdue professor did say that the murders could have been done by Odinists.
I would be interested to hear the interview for ourselves and to see oftentimes different people summarize things different ways.
Just because people interpret an interview differently doesn't necessarily mean that the law enforcement officer was lying.
Correct.
Another key part of this filing is the defense's accusations that law enforcement withheld information from the judge who signed the search warrant for Richard Allen's house. Specifically, that law enforcement did not tell the judge that 3 cell phones not associated with Allen were pinged near the murder scene at the time of the killings, which would make the search of Allen's house illegal. Kane and Greenlee say the defense is trying to get all of the evidence collected during that search thrown out.
They're really doing everything they can to get that gun thrown out because of the obvious implications it could have to their case.
The next court hearing in this case is scheduled for Monday in Fort Wayne, but the defense is asking the court to push that back, saying that they have not gotten important information that will be important for that hearing in a timely fashion. Reporting in Indianapolis, Cody Fisher, Wish TV, I-Team 8.